Hello, beautiful people. My name's Kristen. Welcome to my channel. I am wearing my Greetings from Houston sweatshirt that I found at TJ Maxx today, which I was born and raised in Houston. Love my Lone Star State, but I actually live in Virginia now. So I found it like so random that this sweatshirt was in TJ Maxx. There wasn't any other cities. There wasn't anything else like it in the rack. It was just this one with Houston. So it was a sign. It's like, done. I don't even have to try it on. It's my sweatshirt. So today I am unboxing my Ellie, which finally got here. I ordered it with a yoga club. At the same time, I wanted to compare the two subscriptions and try to use it because I don't know about you, but when I wear something new workout related, I just am more motivated to work out more and harder. And that might just be a psychological quirk of me, but I think that maybe a lot of us are like that. So it's worth it if I can find a good value. Because honestly, I get most of my workout gear at TJ Maxx, and that's fine. It holds up for about a season, and then it starts falling apart and not really supporting me, and I have to get rid of it, but I didn't pay a lot for it. So it probably balances out to the same, but I wanted some new nicer pieces. So I will link my yoga club video up top. You can see the items and my thoughts on that. I was very pleased, very, very pleased. So the other one I wanted to try was Ellie. And I don't know if you can tell this, but the reflection on it, it's an actual reflective metallic rose gold box. It's gorgeous. It's the most pretty box I've ever gotten, like box out of, the 3 years I've been doing subscription boxes. Let's see, it says we're in this together, which is adorable. And oh, this is big. They gave me this pouch. I'll take it out of the plastic. Sorry about the crinkling here. But they sent me this free gift for starting my subscription with them. That's very nice. Rose gold little makeup bag. So I'll probably use that. Little card from them to share my invoice and everything. And then Ellie is different from Yoga Club in that Yoga Club, the stylist picks it out and it's a complete surprise. Ellie Club sends you at the beginning of the month a list of all the new collections for that month, and you rank them and then pick, like, this is my top choice, and if that's available, that's pretty much what gets sent. So it's a little cheaper in price. It is Yoga Club is regularly $79, but if you join under my link, you get that one for $59, so you get $20 off, and so that makes each of the 3 pieces sent $20. Ellie is $49, so $10 cheaper, and you still get the 3 items. So we'll see if it's good quality. So the first thing is a tank. Oh, that's interesting. It's got a hole right there. Maybe that's for the sweat breathability. I don't know. Hopefully it's still supportive because I need a lot of support. This is a medium by Zobha. I've never heard of that. Z-O-B-H-A. So, and it has mesh on the back. So the breathability in this should be pretty good. And I didn't have any purple workout gear, so I was drawn to the purple, although I debated getting black, or they did have a camo, which was similar to what Yoga Club sent me, although I didn't know what Yoga Club was going to send me. So here's the metallic-y, shiny, purplish pants. They feel really thick, which is important to, so yeah. I don't know. We'll see. I like the color though. I was actually thinking in the picture it was a little more mauvish than plumish. Whew. But I like those. I do. And then this is darker too. So note to self, the little thumbnails that they give you appear lighter than what they actually are. So I thought this was actually whitish or maybe cream. Oh, and it's also by that Zobha. Let me show you since I've got a tag there. If you know that brand or you've dealt with it, let me know how it holds up. It feels like a good performance, breathability. This is long sleeve. I did pick that because I don't really have, and it's got a big drapey front. So I thought this would be great for the colder months or when it's not hot yoga or any of those, because this would be too hot for hot yoga. But anyway, I will try that outfit on and see how it does for me, but I like it just looking at it. Think it has some potential. I think all the brand, that was so, it's all, yeah, every single piece including the leggings is this brand. So I don't know if that's a Ellie brand or who that is, but we'll see. Okay, so here's the outfit, and I will say that the 3 pieces work out to about, you know, $15, $16 a piece. So, you know, take what I say in that light, because I think that it's definitely worth that price, if that makes sense. It's equivalent to TJ Maxx or some of those more discounted things, even though it's not a known brand to me. But this top is really cute. It's got a cross here. It doesn't have any kind of snaps or anything, so you could, you know, adjust it however you wanted. The bottoms, I love this color. I think it's really, really pretty. I kind of moved in it, did the squat. I don't see a lot of it kind of thinning out or stretching or making where it's see-through, but the seams in it, as I'm pulling it on, I'm not gonna lie, they were kind of like creaking a little. Do you know what I'm talking about? like you could feel the tenseness to how tight they were, and I wondered if I was going to be able to get it over my hips, but then once it is, it's where it needs to be in the waistband. So I don't know how long it's going to hold up or last compared to some of the other ones, but I'm going to get my money's worth out of it, because again, it's not that expensive of an item. Let me show you. This is super soft. I really like the top, and I really like the color of the leggings. I'm not sure how long they're going to last, but as long as they last, I'm going to like them. The top, I will show you. This is a medium on me, so I might size up if I do this one again, just to give a little more coverage, because it's either peeking out on the top or the bottom. So that may be TMI for a lot of y'all, but let me show you the back, because the back's very pretty. So here's the back detail. It is very nice. And hey, I've got it all documented as the first of the year, you know, where it is, and maybe as I shape up and tone up and do more yoga and more weightlifting during the year, I can look back and go, hey, I've got some better back muscle now. I hope whatever your goals are, just to get a little stronger, get a little healthier, those are my goals. And whatever yours are, that you just embrace those, that you're gentle with yourself when you have the bad days where you struggle and fail. That's okay. Don't give up. We're going to be in this all together just to become the best you that you can be, because we can do that. We can do that, right? It's Rome's not built in a day. It's a process, and it's a journey, and I love being on it with other like-minded people. So join me if you are interested in Ellie. I will leave that link below. I'm not sure if there's a referral program for Ellie. I didn't look that up, but if there is, thank you. And if not, I think my conclusion is these pieces are worth the cost, but they are not as well made or as high end as Yoga Club, which is just a $10 more a month. So I think I will lean towards what I have to do each month on each of these is go in and say I want to skip it, or it automatically sends it. So do note that if you join one of these, you have to kind of note in your calendar on your phone, check availability or check to skip the month if you don't want that month. So I'll probably skip more Ellie boxes than I skip yoga boxes. But that's my conclusion on reviewing the two, and I look forward to all my workouts and hope that you come along and are part of it and find something that works for you as well in this new year. Blessings.